Wisdom alone is the science of other sciences. True wisdom comes to each of us when we realize how little we understand about life, ourselves, and the world around us. A man must be big enough to admit his mistakes, smart enough to profit from them, and strong enough to correct them. We are what our thoughts have made us, so take care about what you think. Words are secondary, thoughts live, they travel far. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery. Today is God gift, that's why we call it the present. It's not what you look at that matters, it's what you see. Talent is God given, be humble. Fame is man given, be thankful. Conceit is self given, be careful. Without freedom of thoughts, there can be no such thing as wisdom, and no such thing as public liberty without freedom of speech. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. I have just three things to teach: simplicity, patience, compassion. These three are your greatest treasures. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Kindness is more important than wisdom, and the recognition of this is the beginning of wisdom.